Welcome back. Not only cows, but Go Sanvardhan Kendra Valpoi has demanded ban on slaughtering of bulls too. Go Sanvardhan Kendra Valpoi chief Hanumant Parab has opposed Dhiryos in any form in Goa. Parab alleged that currently, except BJP workers, everybody has access to the chief minister. He also slammed CM, saying he is busy wooing minorities. Hanumant Parab was speaking in our weekly program Counterpoint.
Usually तुमचो ओपोज ना की स्लॉटरिंग करपाक ओपोज
ना स्लॉटरिंग करपाक ओपोज आसा सबंद गोंयभर स्लॉटरिंग बंद जावप ह्याच उद्देशान आमी 2008 सुद्धा एक जनहित याचिका ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान दाखल केल्ली.
तुम्ही बैलांकूय मारपाक तुम्ही ऑपोजिशन
काव इन्क्लूड्स इज अ फॅमिली ऑफ काव. काव बैल आयलो पाडो आयलो सगळं इट इज अ फॅमिली ऑफ काव. काव मिन्स डेफिनेशन कावचे अशें आसा इट इज अ फॅमिली ऑफ काव. मागीर बैल आयलो पाडो आयलो वासरू आयलो सगळे आयले.
तुझे जेन्ना पक्षाचो स्वताचो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा
तुमकां सांगलें न्ही अपॉइंटमेंटूच मेळना न्ही कार्यकर्त्याक अपॉइंटमेंट ना जनतेक मेळटा.
तू जनता म्हणून वचपाचो थंय
जनता म्हणून आमी जो विशय पयलीं घेवन गेले आमी मेमोरंडमूय दिले पूण आमकां सीएमान अजून तसो टायमूच दिवंक ना. आमचे ट्रस्टाचे सगळे लोक त्या खातीर बेजार आसा माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांचेर.
तुका दिसना हे सगळ्यो गजाली तूं इमोशनल लेवलार वचून चिंतता बिकॉज इंडियन ब्रीडूच इंडियन ब्रीड वांगडा रावप यू आर थिंकिंग की सामकें इमोशनल.
नाही तूं आज लोकांक जागृतीची गरज आसा. तुमकां एक सांगता आज ब्राझील सारकेलो देश हो आज वर्ल्डाक लिडींग म्हणजे दूध जर आसा खंय वर्ल्डाक जर जागतीक जर ब्राझीला कडेन ब्राझीलान आज शिफ्ट केल्ले आसा तो आज इंडियन ब्रीड जावं लोकल ब्रिडा कडेन वता. जर्सी यांच्यांनी कॉन्सेप्टूच स्टॉप केला.
सरकारा कडल्यान एंटायर हेका तुजी अपेक्षा कितें. एक म्हाका अपेक्षा क्लियर दिसता की गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स तूं बंद करचो म्हणटा.
गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स ते आमी कोर्टान कितें ते सांगतले पूण सरकार कडल्यान अपेक्षा इतलेच आसा आमकां गोवंश हत्याबंदी कायदो गोंयान हाडचो हें आमकां आनी विधानसभेन तेजेर चर्चा जावची. कित्याक भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जेन्ना सरकार हांगा आसा आनी केंद्रांतले सरकाराचे सुद्दां खूब कडेन आमी हालीं दिल्ली बी गेल्ले की भारतीय जनता पार्टी कडल्यान अपेक्षा आसा देशभरान हो कायदो येवचो म्हणून.
पॉलिटिकल वील ना म्हणटा तुवें करपाक.
एक्झॅक्टली ना.
कित्याक
लोक नाराज लोकांची नाराजी घेऊन जायना अशा प्रकारचे हे जातात.
खंयच्या लोकांची
ख्रिश्चन लोकांची आसूं शकता एक वेळ त्या खातीर मुख्यमंत्र्याक अडचणी आसूं येता.
सध्या बुल फायट जावची म्हणून लॉबिंग चल्ला. तुमचो व्ह्यू कितें बुल फायट
जावची न्ही आमचो विरोध आसा गोवंश रक्षा म्हणून आनी आमचे केंद्र म्हणून आमी हेजेर आंदोलन उबें करतले आनी हेका आमचो सगळ्या पातळीचेर विरोध आसा.
Panji Mayor Surendra Furtado has asked CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues to stop work at Panji Jetty from 10 at night till 6 in the morning. He claims that Sanjit has not replied to CCP's notice, which is contempt of cooperation. Clarifying his point on high license fees for film shooting, Mayor said the aim is to discourage film shooting in the capital city. Surendra Furtado has yet again slammed the CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues, and this time slapping a notice to stop work between 10 at night till 6 in the morning at Panji Jetty.
Between 10 to 6 in the morning, no work should be carried out in the vicinity where public are staying. In that respect, I have sent a letter to the Commissioner that he should ask the Captain of Post to stop the work during this time.
Sanjit has not replied to letter about stopping ongoing work at the jetty.
Up to now, I have not received any confirmation from the Commissioner. So I have reminded him again that the work should stop. Otherwise, it will be a contempt of not listening to the corporation.
Commenting on high license fees for film shooting, Surendra said it is to discourage film shootings in the city.
If they feel it's too high, they should not. Because people of Panjim also suffering when shooting takes place. That is why to discourage shooting and to discourage the exhibition being held in Panjim city, we have kept the fees high. When a budget is on 100 crores, what is to give a few lakhs to the corporate city of Panjim?
Earlier government had plans to build a film city in Goa. Presently, Fontainhas, Kampal, Kala Academy, Miramar are the favourite shooting locations of film producers. But the CCP is determined to discourage this activity. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Feast of St. Anthony was celebrated with fervour at Seoli Church, St. Anthony's Chapel at Chinchini and many more religious places in the state. After 12 days of novenas, on the 13th day the feast is celebrated, but at many places it is celebrated on the weekend. Feast of Saint Anthony is held on 13th June every year all over the state. This festival marks the beginning of the monsoon season. The saint is also known as the saint of travelers, pregnant and barren women. He is also known as the saint of the poor, a matchmaker saint, and is also put forward when the rains are delayed or are scanty.
Saint Anthony is more or less the most popular saint here in Goa. He is invoked by many people because of different reasons. Some invoke him because of lost articles. Some invoke him because of robbed articles. Many people invoke him because of marriages, to find a partner, like a matchmaker. Many people also invoke him while traveling, and many people invoke him in childbirth.
Soglang tumka ajisa Baigon Antonici Nonik Porok Ameonetam Baigon Antonici Mozutin Tumchir and Tumche Garabatir Saite Bori.
It is also believed that any intercession sought through Saint Anthony is always granted, like finding lost articles, no matter how hopeless the situation may seem. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte and Mayur Naik for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.